Okay, get ready.
I'm not ready.
Is this is the oh crap moment? Get ready for it. Oh crap! Here we go! Ready? Oh my God! Oh, that is nuts! That is not okay! Whee! Oh, I love this ride! Oh my God! Woo! Oh, ready? Here we go! And whee! Oh man! All right, get ready for the craziness. Ready? Oh my! Whee! And disaster! Oh my God! Holy crap! Oh man! Whee! Oh man! Still one of the best wooden roller coasters.
It's honestly running better this year than most years.
Yeah, how are you doing?
Woo!
Here we go. Oh my God. Oh man. Oh yeah. Go, go, go. Oh man, that is amazing. Here comes the oh crap moment. Here we go. Oh crap! Oh my God! Oh my God! That is absolutely freaking crazy! Oh man! Woo! Oh man! How that is nuts! Holy crap! All right, here we go. Get ready for it. Are you ready? All right, here we go. Oh crap! Whee! Oh my God! Whoa! Oh man, I love it! Whee! Oh, twisty! Upside down! Oh man! Whee! Oh! Get ready, guys! Oh man, here we go! Oh man! Ready? Air time into the mid-course. Ready? Catch your breath! Catch your breath! Catch your breath! Here we go! Oh and whee! Here we go! Oh, up to the left, and then air time to the right. Here we go! Air time hill, and then another air time hill into the brakes. Oh, and that is Jersey Devil here at Six Flags Great Adventure. How'd you do back there?
Awesome!
Oh my God, I gotta catch my breath. All right, here we go. Hands up for the first drop. Ready? All right, hold your hands up at home. Oh my God! Oh! Whee! Oh man, I love it! Oh, ready? Oh, this is such a great ride! Oh! Ready to turn around! Oh! Whee! Air time! Whee! All right, get ready for it, guys! Yes, it's what you've been waiting for! The upward spiral helix! Oh, how are you doing at the helix? All right. And now, what is this, like a buffet of bunny hills? Whee! And number 2. Whee! Number 3. You're like Count Chocula over there. Not Count Chocula. The Count. Wait, Count Chocula. He's the. I just want breakfast cereal like that. Wait, it's the Count, right? Like 1 peanut butter sandwich, 2 peanut butter sandwiches. Got it. All right. What did we just ride?
Nitro!
Nitro at Great Adventure. We love it. We're near the top of the lift hill. I do love this ride. This is still like way up there as far as my favorite sit-down roller coasters. Here we go. All right, Bizarro! Here we go! Woo! Loop-de-loop! Oh, man, I love it! Whee! Oh! Yes, diving! Loop and fire! Ready? Zero G madness craziness! And just right into the Cobra roll! I love this ride. It's just one inversion after the other. It is a powerhouse of upside down. Oh man, here we go. Hardly any brakes on the mid-course. All right. Oh, get ready for it, everybody. We're gonna go into the corkscrews and whee! Corkscrew number 1. Oh man, here we go. Corkscrew number 2. Woo! Oh ho ho! Oh, this is such a great ride. And that is Bizarro here at Six Flags Great Adventure. And if you know what name this ride opened at, post it in the comments below. Let's see how smart you are with your Six Flags Great Adventure trivia. What was Bizarro originally called?